Step into the 2000 Land Rover Range Rover. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: luggage rack, power driver's seat, cassette, intermittent wipers, sun moonroof, leather steering wheel, variable speed intermittent wipers, fog lamps, and power windows. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.